Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Money Steps. Today is 2023 July of 21st. So today market topic will be on the US market starting to pulling backs, and then we go back to the Malaysia to have a look on the stock picks by the research houses. And first of all, we need to go through the disclaimer. This video is for the educational purposes. It's not a buying or selling call for the viewer or subscriber or the investors. So if you are taking any orders, buying call, selling call in the research house, you may consider the risks and taking advice from the professionals. Okay, let's starting with the US market, overnight US market. So we can see that overnight US market, there are three markets, right? Nasdaq, S&P and Dow Jones. So overnight there are two markets is dropping, which is dropped fiercely in the Nasdaq, which is dropped by 2%. So you can see the red candle right over here. So we are expecting the as per earlier sessions of the during the live session last few days, I already mentioned I already expecting the US market is coming to pulling back for a healthy corrections a bit. So it did happen for the Nasdaq. So it coming back, going to test the uptrend line over here. Depends how strong is the taking profit pressure over there. Okay, so be alert if you are holding for the Nasdaq stocks, technology stocks. Pulling back is a way for you to take some profit out first. And the S&P is also a pulling back. The gap is slightly larger comparing to Nasdaq, you can see. So the gap is right over here. And the Dow Jones is still going upside because it's constitutes by 30 stocks only. So it's easy to be controlled, I would say. So let's go back to the Malaysia market, FBM KLCI. How was the overnight KLCI? Overnight KLCI is dropped by 3 points, up by 3 points, up by 3 points. So it's still healthy at this moment, I would say. So we will need to see how is the market going on, followed by the US pulling back market. Okay. So now we are looking at the stocks. Okay, before we proceed for the stock speaking by the research house, I would like to mention a bit on the seminar. It's going to be happen in the JOHOR, PERSADA JOHOR, which is Saturday, August 5th, which is market outlook by the Maybank together with the Bursa's marketplace in the PERSADA JOHOR, August 5th. So the timing for the market outlook will be 11 to 1. So you can reserve the seats through the link in the description. I already shared the link in the description. You can go through it. You can click the link and reach to me. So I will assist you to register for the seminar session if you are interested to join the seminar in PERSADA JOHOR on August 5th. So it's okay. So we go back to Malaysia. So we're starting by the stock pick by the CIMB SciPark. SciPark is already picked by myself earlier on. I've been last 1 to 2 weeks times. It's around these areas. It should be around this area. So I should, if not mistaken, it should be this candle, the green candle right here. So it's trending to upwards. So we can see that the CIMB is given 3 target, 89, 92, 4, 5, half right over here, the 3 blue lines here. All 3 target is pretty close to each other, I would say. And the stop loss level is 70x cent. 78 cent, it's around 10% level. Still acceptable, I would say. So anyhow, we can see the SciPark resources is going up right here. And a healthy pulling back right over here is starting to building up the base. So we need to see whether can it break the resistance level right over here. It's around, I would say the third target 945. They put it here because there's a gap right over here. The gap down is right over here. That's why they are playing conservative a bit. So they put it, the third target is 945. the below of the gap. Okay, so the next stocks will be the Taan. Taan has been picked by two research houses. Both target given is pretty close to each other. You can see that the Taan target given is 37.5 and 385. 37.5 and 385, and the stop loss level is 334. Another research house is 335. Stop loss level slightly higher. If to me, I would put it more higher. Instead of 335, I will put it maybe 340, something like that, to play safe. I'm more keen to control the risks rather than the profits. So we will have a look into the another stocks research house stock picking Taan later on. So we proceed for the next research house, which is by M+, Jaya Tiasa. Jaya Tiasa overnight closing is 7.5. Their breakout level is 69 cents, so which is already broken yesterday. So they are calling a buy right now. So you can buy in today if you are interested to it. And the stop loss level is 66 cents, acceptable. Target given is 73 cents, followed by 75 cents, slightly above it. 75 cents, you can draw another line. Okay, 75 cents is right over here. I put it blue line. So this one is pretty much a trading plan. So over here, I would say this definitely is a short-term trading. Because the target is so close and the stop loss level are so close as well. So we look at the next M+ topics would be USMA. USMA is also picked by myself as well. You can check into the derogate money steps. You can join in. You can search the USMA, which I picked earlier on as well. I did pick it at this level, the green candle over here. So it going up and then it pulled back. Then yesterday it pushed again towards 69 cents. So the M+ is calling a buy to buying above 6.7, which is yesterday already broken. So you can buy in if you are interested to USMA, okay. And the stop loss level is 63 cents, acceptable, and the target given is 73 and 75. The target given by myself would be far more higher. Let's zoom out to have a look. The target given by my own self is far more higher. I think it should be if not mistaken, it's around around 80 cents and 1 ringgit. Around 80 cents or 1 ringgit should be around there. Yeah, around 87 cents to 1 ringgit is around there. So we will still to keep tracking on the stop loss level, keep monitoring if you are in the positions. And the next topic by the Maybank Investment Bank will be Hexstar. Hexstar Global. So overnight closing is 80 cents. I believe this one is also picked by two research house. One is Maybank Investment Bank, another one will go through later on. So let's go on for the Maybank Investment Bank picks target and stop loss level. So we can see that the stop loss level given by the Maybank is 72 cents, and the target given is 87 cents, followed by another target. We have look here. Another target will be around 9.5. Okay, it's around 9.5, slightly higher over there. So they are playing for the string and the rebounds of the previous low over here. So I would say if you are entering to this Hexstar, I would say suggesting to waiting for the pullback somewhere around 77 to 78 cent level would be far more conservative a bit. Okay, so the next stock picks by the UOB would be Hexstar as well. Yeah, Hexstar, so same stock, right? So you can see direct go through this one first. Let's see. So their target given is 91 and 9.5. 91 and 9.5. 9.5 is pretty similar to the Maybank Investment Bank stock pick as well, and the stop loss given is 6.5. Okay. correct, eh? So hectare already fully covered. So the next stock pick given by the Maybank Investment Bank is Taan. Taan is already picked by another research house as well, right? Just now I mentioned. So we will look into this one. The stop loss level is given is 3.5, it's the red color, and the target given is 3.85, second is 4.20. So the target given is more ample space for the investment for medium term. So we zoom out a little bit, so we can see that the trending is pretty much sideways consolidations. I would say 4 ringgit should be the best target givens. If I'm going to pick for this one, 4 ringgit will be acceptable targets for Taan. So another one would be TH Plantation. By the Maybank Investment Bank, you can see that overnight closing is 55 cents. The stop loss given is 50 cents by the Maybank, followed by the target 60 cents and 68 cents level. So this one is pretty much the sideways consolidations, buying for the pull, for the bounce off, with I think should be slightly higher volume, right? Yep, slightly higher volume, 1.9 million share traded. So this one could be a nice pick as well. So the next stock by the what they call UOB would be the Lion Industry. Lion Industry Corporation, we zoom in a little bit. Okay, target given is 3.5 and 4.2. 3.5, 4.2 is right over here, acceptable resistance, and the stop loss level is 27 cents. I would say UOB chartist is very unique. The stop loss level always given is very huge of the range. Is far more than 10%. Most of the stock picks given is far more than 10%. So I'm not sure how to manage the account management for the arrangement of for the fund allocation size. So anyhow, we proceed for the next one. If you like it, you can follow the trading plan givens, and the next stock pick will be the Yuli. Yuli already begun by another research house earlier on, before yesterday, I mean. So we can see Yuli Pacific. So the target given, I haven't drawn yet. Okay, target given is 3.5, and the 4.45 is right over here, followed by the stop loss level given is 3.25. So I would say is playing for the swing, quite okay to playing for this one. I would say interesting. Okay, so I would say if you daily basis you're going through all this stock pick by the research house, maybe some people don't think it's working for you, I mean trading or what, but by looking at the stock picks by the various stock research house, you can notice that there are some stock that has been picking by the research house is all similar, which is like example like Taan, what else, Hexstar as well. So also that we can notice that Jayatasa Taan is appearing in the stock pick. Could it be possible the timber stock is running? So you can think it this way. So we can see Jayatasa, THS, TH Plantation as well. So you can think it in this way. You can look into the plantation sector, see whether can it bring you profit or not. So you increase your probability to profiting in the tradings. So I believe if you are interested to open an account or register for the seminar, you can check the link in the descriptions. Welcome to reach to me, and that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.